Hello learners. Welcome back to the Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In today's session, we begin the finance module with a very fundamental process, account definition master management. This is the backbone of every financial transaction in Lighthouse ERP, because it defines how accounts are structured, grouped, and analyzed at micro and macro levels. What is account definition? Account definition is where we configure the entire chart of accounts in Lighthouse ERP. This structure helps us classify general ledgers, sub-ledgers, and sub-accounts in a way that reflects how your business actually operates. In simple terms, this is where we tell the ERP which accounts exist, how they are grouped, where they belong, and how they should behave while posting transactions. Multi-level account structure. Lighthouse ERP allows a powerful and layered account structure. The chart of accounts can be defined up to 4 levels. The main GL account code exists at the 4th level. Subsidiary ledgers can be created at the 5th level. This ensures we can differentiate account types like creditors for raw material, creditors for consumables, debtors for product A, debtors for product B. And if needed, the system allows a 6th level sub-account, giving even deeper analysis and consolidation at either the GL level or the subsidiary ledger level. Account classification and grouping. Grouping accounts is crucial when your business spans multiple divisions, branches, or entities. The account class feature lets you group similar accounts. For example, if multiple organizations or sister concerns use the same category of accounts, this enables consolidated reporting across multiple businesses, or filtered reporting at individual entity levels. Multi-entity, multi-division control. In multi-company environments, Lighthouse ERP lets you define main ledgers and sub-ledgers per entity or per division. This ensures only relevant accounts are visible to that division or entity. You avoid cross-visibility of ledgers and maintain accounting independence where required. Mapping old accounts. The system also allows mapping old account codes to new account codes. This is very useful during migration or restructuring. Even if you change your accounts, the old code remains searchable and visible in transactions, so accountants don't lose historical continuity. Expense categorization. In main ledger definitions, you can assign expense categories. This ensures expense-related ledgers are identified clearly. MIS reports can drill down expenses to a micro level. Users are forced to provide proper breakup of expenses while posting entries. This prevents vague accounting and improves reporting quality. TDS configuration. TDS settings can be defined at main ledger or sub-ledger level. So when transactions occur, the system automatically calculates TDS where applicable. No manual calculations, no errors, and full compliance. Inventory and add-on impact. For inventory-related accounts, an inventory account flag can be applied. This ensures any add-on charges linked to the account are added directly to the landed cost of items. This is especially important for manufacturing, imports, and logistics-heavy industries. Other important account attributes each account code can also store. Default transaction currency, credit limits, bank details, blacklist, closed status. This helps control transaction behavior. If an account is blacklisted or closed, it cannot be used in future postings, preventing finance leaks or misuse. Micro-level receivables and payables. The ERP allows tracking of receivables and payables at a very detailed level, not just for sales or purchase. It includes purchase return, sales return, debit notes, credit notes, loans, advances, retentions, withholding, chargeable issues, and more. This helps segregate balances logically instead of mixing everything into one ledger. MIS and data filtering. Every part of account definition supports multi-level filtering. This means dashboards and reports can show high-level summaries, drill-down views at ledger, sub-ledger, or sub-account level. This makes financial reporting powerful, flexible, and business-friendly. So learners, account definition is not just a list of account codes, it's a complete financial structure that guides every transaction in Lighthouse ERP. In the next video, we'll see how this structure impacts day-to-day processes like account receivables, bank payments, and cash transactions. See you in the next lesson.